welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a date night look for when we're finally out of lockdown. I hate being restricted, but hey, it's what we have to do for now. So basically I'm just starting out this video giving you a quick step-by-step, not really step-by-step, but a quick guide on how I do my base. But if you want more of an in-depth step-by-step tutorial, please click on the suggestion provided. So I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow 4 in Rose. And I'm going to be taking the shade Spice Trip. And I'm going to just put that on my lid and take it a little bit higher into my crease. So I'm taking it into my inner eye corner and then right into my crease. So I'm trying to create a halo look. I'm going to take a clean brush to just blend that out. Next up is another pinky shade, Lil Miss. I really love this snap shadow. It's so beautiful and compact. I think anyone actually can use this eyeshadow palette. So back into that palette, I'm using Diva Fever. So I'm using my finger just to apply it, but you can use a brush if you want. I just love how it applies with my finger. So you want to pop that right in the middle of your eyelids and take it a little bit up into your crease, just so it peeks through when you look up, like so. So do the same for the other side. And once I'm done, I'm going to go back into Lil Miss, which is that pinky, beautiful transitional shade, and just blend everything out. So going into my Peaches and Cream pigments, oh, these are amazing. I'm using She's All That, and it's like a shimmery pink with a mix of champagne, and I think it just adds a nice dimension to the look. Back into the palette, whatever you did at the top, you want to repeat at the bottom. So starting with the first shade, which is like the darker mauvey pinky shade, and then moved on to the pinkier shade. And then once you're done applying, you just want to blend that out. So I'm not putting any shimmer underneath my eye, just the matte colors. Then I'm going to line my waterline with the MUA Snow Queen Intense Color eye pencil. So cheap yet so good. And now I'm just going to apply my mascara. Any mascara would work. I just prefer my NYX because it's just so, it just works for me. So if you have anyone that works for you, please use it. These lashes are from bibili.co.uk, so feel free to purchase yours. I will put the link in the description bar below. So now we're just going to sweep off that excess powder that we use as a security blanket. Again, you can watch my previous videos to understand why I put setting powder underneath my eye. So I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder. This is a powder that is a favorite of mine. As you can see in my fit pan already, it's such an amazing powder. I'm going to be using the warm chestnut just to warm up my face. I didn't really contour, but this is a really nice way to contour if you're not using cream. So I'm going to use my bronzer, which is Monochromatic. Again, you know I love Fenty Beauty. Most of my makeup is Fenty Beauty. So yeah, Fenty's just awesome and love me some Fenty. So what I do is I take it up on my forehead, side of my face, my cheek, underneath my cheekbones, and yeah, just play around with it. So wherever I'm trying to create shadows or a sun-kissed look, I put the bronzer, and right after that I just put my blusher. yeah, I got a bit too excited here. Yeah, that's easily remedied. Just go back into your pressed powder and just go over that to diffuse the colour. See? So here I'm using my Cognac Candy Diamond Veil. Oh, this is so beautiful. I can't even. I just put that on the side of my forehead, not the entire forehead, just the side. I play around with it, put it at the top of my brow bone, right on my cheekbone, and in my inner eye corner. And yeah, once you're done with that, you just want to spray your refreshing mist. And here's my lip combination. I literally just put whatever I feel like on my lips. I don't plan it, I just play around. All the products that I use will be listed down below. I had some lip gloss on my teeth, but that's okay. So yeah, here's my final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it. I think this has to be one of my favorite looks. It's just so glam and so beautiful, and yeah, whoever's sitting across from you after lockdown should be happy, okay? Please subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and hit the bell to be notified once I post my videos. And yeah guys, I will see you in my next video. Stay beautiful. Yo.